Welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make crossfade in PC CapCut so you can create smooth and professional looking transitions in your edits. Now let's get started. Step 1, open CapCut on your PC and import your video clips into the media section. Drag the clips onto the timeline and place them back to back, because transitions only work when two clips are connected. This is important as the timeline is where all your editing takes place. Step 2. Click on the Transitions tab located at the top of the screen. This section contains all the visual transition effects that help blend one clip into another. It is the main area you will use to create smooth scene changes. Step 3. Type Fade in the search bar inside the Transitions panel. This helps you quickly find fade-style transitions without scrolling through the entire list. It saves time and keeps your editing workflow fast and simple. Step 4. Select Fade or Crossfade from the results shown. Fade creates a soft visual transition, while Crossfade smoothly overlaps two clips for a more cinematic look. Choosing the right one depends on the mood and style of your video. Step 5. Drag and drop the selected transition between the two clips on the timeline. Make sure it is placed exactly at the cut point where the clips meet. When applied correctly, it removes the harsh jump between scenes. Step 6. Adjust the transition speed by dragging the edges of the transition on the timeline. Shorter durations make the transition quick and sharp, while longer durations make it smooth and dramatic. Set the timing according to the feel you want in your video. Step 7. Play the video to preview the transition and check how the clips blend together. If needed, fine-tune the timing by adjusting the transition length again. This final check ensures your edit looks clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful editing tutorials.